With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a bus is moving with a velocity 4 meters per second towards a wall. The driver sounds a horn of frequency 173 Hz. If the speed of sound in air is 350 meters per second, the number of beats heard per second by a passenger on the bus will be. So we can see here, this is the bus, and here this bus is moving towards a wall. So we can see here, suppose this is our, let's say, wall. So the bus here is moving in, let's say, this direction with a speed given as 4 meters per second. Now this is, let's say, a passenger sitting in the bus. Now the driver of this bus, let's say, sounds a horn of frequency as 173 Hz. Now we can see here two, let's say here, sound pulses reach here. In this case, one sound pulse direct from the bus to this passenger, which here is F0, which is equal to 173 Hz. Next frequency comes after reflection from the wall. So we can say here, this frequency here hits the wall and gets reflected. So we need to find difference of these two frequencies. So this here frequency emitted from the horn is F0. Now reaching here, this, let's say, fixed wall, this frequency F1 gets reflected and reaches back to this passenger as F2. Now F1 by the Doppler effect, we can say here, is written as F0 into velocity of sound in, let's say, air divided by velocity of sound in air. Now there is velocity of observer, here is velocity of source. Here, since the source is moving towards the wall, so frequency here increases. So this is plus, this is minus. F0 here is 173. Velocity is given of sound in air as 350. Observer is at rest, and here we can say this is 350 minus source velocity is here as 4 meters per second. So here we can say this comes as in the denominator as 346. So 173 cancels this 346 by 2. So this is 350 by 2. Hence this here is 175 Hz. Now we need to find this frequency F2 reaching the passenger. So F2 here will be given by same Doppler effect as VV. Now this wall will be the source, and here this passenger will be the observer. So we can see here, since this passenger is moving towards the wall, so frequency increases, hence plus minus. So F1 we have calculated as 175. Here this is 350, and here also this is 350. Velocity of observer is 4 and that of source is 0. So this here is plus minus. Hence this becomes 354 divided by, in the denominator 175 cancels 350 by 2. So this comes out to be 100, and we can say as 77 Hz. Now the difference of these two frequency is our beat frequency. So the beat frequency we can say here is equal to our F2 minus, we can say as F0, which here is equal to 177 minus of 173, which is equal to 4 Hz. Hence we can see here the number of beats heard per second is 4. That is option number 4 is the correct answer. Hence we can say here 4 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.